Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our presentation topic on software requirement specification. Our topic is hospitality management system. My name is Sandral Muntakim. My ID is 2315673. Next slide. This is our index. Here we can see the overview of our presentation. Next slide. Now we will talk about types of information. There are mainly four types of information. First of all, we'll talk about strategic information on hospitality management system, hospital expansion plans, yearly patient admission statistics, financial performance, long-term technological adoption is on strategic information. Here comes tactical information. Department-wise patient load, medical stock using trends, staff duty schedules, resource allocation is categorized in tactical information. Next slide. Here comes operational information. Daily patient appointments, prescription records, lab test result, billing, transaction is goes to operational information. Statutory information. Complaints with government health regulation, medical data privacy, laws, insurance, documents. Strategic information is less structured. It is organized by the higher authority. Tactical operation, tactical information are based on the daily operations. Statutory information is related with the government, like tax collecting and other policies with the government. Next slide. Here we'll talk about elements of system input and output. Input patient registration, doctor scheduling, billing data input. Output reports, prescription, invoice output. Central control unit. Hospital database server manages records, authentication, and reporting. Control mechanism, automated appointment allocation, prescription handling, inventory updates, billing calculation. And we will see these three parts in our application. Next slide, please. Environment. And there are two types of environment in our system, internal and external. In internal environment, doctor, nurse, patient, admin staffs are recorded. In the external environment, insurance companies, supplier, government agencies are included. Next slide. Boundaries and interface. Web mobile UI for patients, dashboard for doctors and admin staff, APIs for third-party insurance payment systems. Feedback. In our application, we will see a feedback section where we will get the feedbacks from the patient, doctors, and all other staffs. Now my next team member will continue further.
Hello everyone, this is Faid Hassan. My ID last three digit is 155. Today I will talk about software requirement specification called SRS. First of all, patient management. The system shall detect the patient arrival by check-in terminals, reception input or integrated patient ID sensor at the hospital entrance. The system shall confirm patient check-in by analyzing multiple input sources such as reception desk entry, kiosk check-in, and data digital ID scan to ensure accuracy. Appointment scheduling. Patient can request appointment online and system auto assign slot based on doctor availability. Next slide. Next topic is billing and payment. Generate bill automatically from treatments and or service. Support multiple payment methods like cash, cards, and insurance. Next is inventory management. Track medicine stock level. Alert admin when the stock is below threshold. Next. Next part is reporting. Generate daily, monthly, and yearly reports on patient, revenue, and stock. Operate dashboard. The system shall provide an interface for operator to monitor real-time period status, patient detection and obstacle detection. The system shall allow operation to override automatic controls for barriers in emergency cases. Next. My next topic is non-functional requirement. Here, first of all, we will talk about performance requirement. A system shall handle more than 500 users. Appointment blocking should confirm within only 2 seconds. Reliability requirements. Uptime of 99.9% with backup servers. Usability. Intuitive interface for doctors, staff, and patient. Next slide. Next part is availability requirements. The system shall have an availability 99.9% to ensure operational readiness at all times. The system downtime for maintenance shall not exceed 2 hours per month. Next part is security requirement. Patient record encryption. The encryption technique is advanced encryption standard 256 byte. A role-based across control for staff. Next. Maintainability, modular code for easy updates. And last but not the least, scalability, system should support new hospital branches. This is all about myself. My next team member, Olga, will continue the rest of the presentation. Thank you.
Okay. Hello everyone. This is Sorgo Kumar Saha. My ID last series is 570. So today I am presenting the data flow diagram level 0 and 1, which is context level data flow diagram for hospital management system. Here we can see staff, administrator, and patient, which are entities, and the hospital management system are involving that. By staff involving with hospital management system, we can see the ad master records, hospital records, and the patient and hospital relation will be the discharge bill and payment, and the administration will be the create staff account and report. So my next slide is the level 1 of data flow diagram, where I am talking about the patients and the administrator and doctor, the billing vastly. But which is we can see here we are maintaining the database for patients and administration and billings. Also, we have multiple relationships with hospital management system with their entities. So in this diagram, we can see there are lots of payment methods and gateways with the hospital management system from patients and the doctors. So the next slide will be the project scheduling plans. The phase 1 will be project initiation and requirements. The data define project scopes, stakeholder meetings, gather system requirements, develop system requirement specifications, which is SRS. The phase 2 will be system design. The point of system design will be design system architecture, create data flow diagram, then define database schema and entity relationship diagram, design user interface, then the ultimate goal is the review design with stakeholders. The next slide will be talking about the phase 3 of project scheduling plans. The system developments. Though we are talking about the system developments, the point will be set of development environment, develop hospital modules, the implement of automated barrier control, create user alerting system, integrate data logging and reporting modules. The next point will be the develop control room dashboard interfaces. The phase 4 will be the system integration and hosting, which are integrate modules, perform unit testing, conduct system testing, perform user acceptance testing, and collect feedback and make adjustments. The next slide will be the project schedule plans of phase 5, development and maintenance planning. Deploy system at selected hospital management system, hospital control room operators, monitor initial operations and resolve issues, plan for system maintenance and updates. The phase 6 will be the project ensure and evolution. The conduct post and development review will be the point of that, and the next point is the document lesson learned. And here my next teammate will continue, which is Affan Zulfikar.
Thank you, Argo Kumar sir. Assalamualaikum. Myself, Afan Julfikar, carrying role 232158682. Now I represent the user interface overview of Medicare Hospital interface with navigation options. The Medicare Hospital user interface provides a clean, navigable layout with options like conditions and treatments, doctors, clinics, and locations, patients and visitors, and why choose us. It features a welcoming design with a focus on hospital management, including and explore more options for further details. User interface for next slide, please. User interface for admin. The admin interface includes a dashboard with real-time data such as productivity, staff details, room status, and sales figures, presented through graph for easy monitoring and decision making. Next slide, please. Potential risks. This includes system malfunctions, technical issues, example like software bugs, operational challenges, example like power supply, environment factors, financial leaks, example like a non-compliance costs and security threats, example like unauthorized access, DDoS attacks. Mitigation involves identifying and addressing this risk proactively. And the next slide. User guides like this provide step-by-step instructions for users, including how the system works at hospital receptions, patients logging with unique IDs, booking appointments, and paying bills online. They also cover troubleshooting such as resetting passwords, using registered mails, and ensuring easy access and support. Next slide. Thank you everyone. That's all from me.